Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best snow blower is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for homeowners living in areas that experience heavy snowfall, offering a powerful and efficient way to clear driveways, sidewalks, and other outdoor spaces. Unlike single-stage blowers, two-stage models are designed to tackle deeper drifts and heavier snow with ease, thanks to their robust construction and advanced features that ensure optimal performance even in the harshest winter conditions, making them a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking to maintain clear access during snowstorms. Number 5. Snow Joe SJ618E Electric Snow Blower. Tackle snow-covered driveways and walkways with ease. This electric snow blower is designed for efficient snow management. Powered by a robust motor, it clears a significant amount of snow per minute. Experience gas-like performance without the hassle of fuel or maintenance. It features an adjustable chute that allows for full control over snow direction. You can also adjust the snow throw height up to 20 feet. Its rotor cuts a wide path, clearing snow quickly without damaging surfaces. It's built to last and handle tough conditions. All-terrain wheels ensure easy movement and control. Navigate mid-sized areas smoothly and efficiently with this compact unit. What we like. This electric snow blower offers gas-like performance without the hassle. If you're looking for a lightweight and easy-to-manage option for clearing smaller driveways and walkways, this is a great choice. Its compact size and maneuverability make it ideal for quick snow removal tasks. What people say. This snow blower has a powerful engine that handles deep snow with ease. The two-stage design allows it to break up and throw heavy, wet snow effectively. Its self-propelled feature makes maneuvering in thick snow much easier. Number 4. PowerSmart 24-inch 212 cubic centimeters gas snow blower. Tackle heavy snow with ease. This powerful machine clears a 24-inch path, handling up to 12 inches of snow depth and throwing it up to 45 feet. Equipped with a robust 212 cubic centimeters engine, it's built for demanding snow removal tasks. It's perfect for clearing large driveways and sidewalks efficiently. Its reinforced steel construction ensures durability for years of tough snow clearing. This unit is designed to withstand challenging conditions. Navigate your property with ease thanks to the self-propelled system. Choose from 6 forward and 2 reverse speeds for optimal control. Forget pull starts. With the push-button electric start, you can get to work quickly and efficiently, even on the coldest days. The serrated steel auger cuts through snow and ice effortlessly. It reduces clogging and quickly shreds even the toughest snow. Direct snow exactly where you want it with the easy-to-use remote chute rotation and deflector controls. Adjust your output without stopping. What we like. Experience heavy-duty snow removal with this powerful gas snow blower. If you have a large driveway and frequently deal with heavy, wet snow, its robust engine and self-propelled system will make the job significantly easier. The electric start ensures you can get going quickly, even in the coldest conditions. What people say. This snow blower is a beast. It clears heavy, wet snow with ease, and the two-stage design ensures it can handle deep drifts. The electric start is a game-changer, making it incredibly easy to get going on cold mornings. The variable speed control allows for precise maneuverability, even in tight spaces. I was impressed by how well it handled icy patches. The auger design effectively breaks up ice, and the powerful engine throws snow a good distance. Number 3. Ego Power Plus 24 Electric Snow Blower SN2400. Introducing the EGO Power Plus 24-inch electric snow blower. It combines the power of 2 EGO arc lithium batteries to tackle heavy snow, throwing it up to 50 feet. With a 24-inch clearing width and 20-inch intake height, it handles deep snow with ease. The variable speed steel auger and directional chute control ensure efficient snow removal. This powerful tool can clear an 18-car driveway with 8 inches of snow on a single charge when using 2 recommended 7.5Ah arc lithium batteries. It's compatible with all EGO 56V arc lithium batteries. Experience effortless operation with variable speed self-propel in both forward and reverse directions. All controls are conveniently located on the handle-mounted dashboard. Forget pull cords and priming. Start it instantly with a push button. For bright LEDs provide excellent visibility for clearing snow even at night. What we like. This electric snow blower delivers impressive power and clearing capacity without the noise and fumes of gas. If you're seeking a high-performance, eco-friendly solution for clearing large driveways, this is an excellent option. Its ability to combine battery power for maximum output is a game-changer for tackling deep snow. What people say. Blows snow far, quiet, clean and easy to use. When the auger is set for the highest thrust, the blower will easily throw snow more than 40 feet. It made short work of the snow in my driveway. Coming from a full-sized gas-powered snowblower of the same size, the electric has more torque. Throttle, once pushed down for forward or reverse, is instant. The auger and blower, again, almost immediate. Number 2. Ego SN240524 Cordless Snow Blower Kit. Introducing the EGO SN2405, a 24-inch cordless snow blower kit. It combines the power of two EGO ARC lithium batteries for exceptional performance. Experience the power to throw snow up to 50 feet. This means less time spent clearing and more time enjoying your day, without the hassle of gas. With a 24-inch clearing width and 20-inch intake height, it handles even deep snow. The variable speed steel auger and directional chute control ensure efficient snow management. This powerful tool can clear up to an 18-car driveway with 8 inches of snow on a single charge. It comes with two 7.5Ah ARC lithium batteries for extended use. Enjoy variable speed self-propel with forward and reverse for easy maneuverability. Plus, a push-button start means instant power, and 4 bright LEDs ensure visibility for nighttime clearing. What we like. Get started right away with this complete cordless snow blower kit. If you need a powerful electric option that comes with everything you need, this is the one. It's perfect for those who want the convenience of battery power and the performance to clear a substantial driveway with ease. What people say. This snow blower is a beast. It chewed through 18 inches of wet, heavy snow like it was nothing. The electric start is a game changer, especially on those freezing cold mornings. I love the adjustable chute. It allows me to direct the snow exactly where I want it, preventing buildup against the house. Number 1. 124-inch 209 cubic centimeters 2-stage snow blower SB209E. Tackle heavy snowfall with ease. This powerful machine clears over 2,000 pounds of snow per minute, making winter cleanup a breeze. Its robust engine and adjustable chute work together to throw snow up to 30 feet. You'll clear your driveway quickly and efficiently. Navigate any terrain with its self-propelled drive. With 6 forward and 2 reverse speeds, you can control its movement effortlessly. Constructed with durable steel and a notched 4-blade auger, it's designed to break through even the toughest ice and snow. Enjoy the convenience of push-button electric start and reliable tubeless tires. It also comes with a handy chute clearing tool and a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. What we like. This gas-powered snow blower offers a strong balance of power and durability for tough snow conditions. If you prefer the reliability of a gas engine and need a machine that can handle icy and deep snow with its sturdy construction, this is a solid choice. The included warranty provides extra peace of mind. What people say. This snow blower has a powerful engine that handles deep snow with ease. The 2-stage design effectively breaks up and throws snow, even heavy, wet snow. It features an electric start, making it convenient to get going quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.